Are you using an AI agent like OpenClaw, Hermes or N8N, and have you ever tried letting it search a platform like Reddit, YouTube or Amazon? You will have noticed that this doesn't work because these platforms have strong bot protection and the agent fails at them, or worse, it gets incomplete or wrong data and then just lies to you. In this video I'm gonna show you a tool that bridges this gap. It scrapes any platform, it handles captchas and rate limits, and then it returns a clean structured format that's easy for your agent to work with. In this video we will set it up together in just 5 minutes and then we will try it out on sites like Reddit, Amazon or Google Trends, and then I'll show you even more cool use cases for this tool. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. I will use OpenClaw in this video, but this works with any AI agent. First, let's try to search Reddit without this tool, just with a vanilla OpenClaw installation. Search for the most hyped AI tools on Reddit in the last 14 days, read each thread including all comments, summarize them, send me a list of summaries, 5 results is enough. I give this task to OpenClaw and we can see it does a bunch of tool calls and we are already seeing errors here. And here we can see why Reddit blocks direct fetching. So these AI agents can't access Reddit directly. We get a response back, but this is based on incomplete data, which makes this useless for actual research. In OpenClaw, let's go to the Skills tab, and here on ClawHub, search for Scavio. There are a bunch of them available for different platforms. You can install all of them or just the ones you need. Just click on the install button right here. But again, this works with any AI agent. Depending on which one you use, there are skills, packages you can install, there is an MCP server, an API, so no matter which agent you use, you can access this tool. There are even SDKs for Python and JavaScript if you are building an app, but if you're using OpenClaw, just install the skill, you don't need anything else. Then we have to create an account on Scavio. I will put a link into the video description below. Just click on sign in and create your account. Then go to API keys. Create a new key, copy it, and then we have to add this API key to our OpenClaw configuration. I use Hostinger here, which has environment variables. This way we keep the key secure, so I can go down to environment, call it a Scavio API key like this, add it here, and save the changes. If you don't know how to add environment variables to your project, you can also just paste the key into the agent chat and tell it to configure it for you. It's less secure because then the key is visible in your project in plain text, but it's good enough. So now with Scavio enabled and configured, let's try the exact same prompt again, but this time the agent should use the Scavio skills automatically. We don't have to mention that explicitly. And by the way, are you overwhelmed by the barrage of AI tools that comes out every single day? Then I have the right resource for you. I started a newsletter where I send you a single tool with one practical use case into your email inbox every day. This is how the email looks. It's concise, it's actionable, one tool every day with one use case, not a ton of text, just short step-by-step instructions. Sign up at toolcorner.ai/newsletter. It's completely free and you can also find the link in the video description below, and now enjoy the rest of the video. And indeed, we can see that it uses the Scavio skill, which will allow us to fetch this data directly from Reddit. With the Reddit search, you have to be patient because Scavio circumvents the rate limiting with some artificial delays, so this can take a few minutes, but now we get clean output with a summary of each thread, a direct link, and 5 results as we wanted. And these threads are actually from the last 14 days with the highest ratings. This is exactly what we were looking for. And Scavio scrapes all this data for you. It handles the bot protection and rate limiting. It can even access the comments in the thread, which you can't do with a regular web search because your agent will be blocked. There are a lot of different endpoints for different platforms. For example, we can search Instagram, we can search for posts, replies, engagement, we can search the same stuff on TikTok, Google, so many different options, all through a single API. We will try out a few more of them, so keep watching to the end. I will put the link to Scavio into the video description below if you want to try this out yourself. You get free credits when you sign up, no credit card required, so you can try this out. And even if you need to scale up, the credits are incredibly cheap, a fraction of a cent for a search. You can also try out the different endpoints from the integrated playground. So you don't have to use your AI agent, you can send requests directly from here and see what data you get back. Let's try another query. How has OpenClaw been trending on Google Trends in the last 12 months? Again, it finds the correct Scavio skill automatically. This time it's the Google Trends one. And it makes a request to the Google Trends endpoint that's listed in the Scavio skill. And a moment later we have the data that we asked for. Let's try one more, this time Amazon. Find the best standing desks under $300 on Amazon.de based on ratings. Then search Reddit for experience reports and summarize them. Return me a list of product links, ratings, and the summarized reviews, again 5 products. Let's send this. And this time it uses 2 Scavio skills, Amazon and Reddit. And again we get a beautifully structured response with the latest data, the price is correct, the ratings are correct, and we get a summary of the user experiences on Reddit. This enables a ton of possibilities for your AI agents that they usually can't do. Try out Scavio yourself, the link is in the video description below. You get free credits when you sign up, so you have no risk. And if you want to see more cool Scavio features and use cases, click this end card here.